Hi, I'm Dr. Barrett Caldwell. I'm a professor of industrial engineering and aeronautics and astronautics at Purdue University. I'm a fellow of the Human Factors and Ergonomics Society and a fellow of the Institute of Industrial and Systems Engineers. And I'm here to share my expertise. How have international collaborations or perspectives influenced or enriched your ISE projects? Well, I would say that, starting as an undergrad, I had always had international colleagues or international classmates at both undergraduate and graduate school. But what really helped me learn about an international perspective started when I was an assistant professor and I was asked to participate in a project working for, as it turns out, the Swedish government. Uh, and that project only came about because I had developed a personal relationship with some fairly well-known researchers at the time. And because I had had a personal relationship and interacted with them in sort of a friendly, get to know you, let's talk about family, let's talk about viewpoints, they felt a lot more comfortable interacting with me on a professional business relationship. And I always took that forward from that first experience to a lot of my other experiences in international collaborations on several continents to say, let me start with the relationship first. Let me start with the personal interaction first. And then we will get to the professional. We'll get to the project budget. We'll get to the schedules. We'll get to all those other pieces. But it really starts with the relationship on a more personal level. I didn't really realize the extent to which Americans are sometimes seen as outliers because we focus so much on the let's get down to brass tacks, let's do this stuff. Um, and I found it really, really valuable in my education, in project management, in international collaboration. And I'm still doing projects with international collaborators where we have the interactions that we can discuss family and friends, and we can talk about what the Swedes called fika, or that sort of social get together aspect, before saying, okay, this is wonderful. What are we going to plan for the next quarter? Or what is the budget level that we ought to hit in our proposal? And so I think it's really, really valuable to understand that those differences in perspectives really are the difference between a successful project and not just a successful project, but a series of successful projects. So I would say that that's one of the most significant influences that I've had is being able to understand that interacting with my colleagues as individuals, may I say even friends, really enhances the ability to do a project and a long-term relationship on the international scale in a much more powerful, much more effective way.
Empower your career with the IISE Training Center. As an IACET authorized provider, we offer an unmatched range of courses from Lean and Six Sigma to leadership and technical skills, all designed to meet your professional goals at every career stage. We can even bring our best instructors and courses to your campus, organization, or business. Whether online or in person, start your journey today. Visit iise.org/training center to learn more. The IISE Training Center, where experts achieve excellence.